So we are trying to solve all the problems of KCET 2020 version code D2. So problem 11 states that tan A plus cot A equals 2 and we need to find tan power 4A plus cot power 4A. So what do? So we have this which is given, that is tan A plus cot A equals 2. So I need to find tan power 4 and cot power 4. So what do? Square on both the sides. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So I get a square, which is tan square a, plus cot square a, plus 2 tan a cot a, which is equal to 4. Now we know that tan a and cot a are reciprocals of each other, right? So I can write cot a as 1 by tan a. So these two can be cancelled, so I get 2 here. Say taking 2 RHS, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have tan square a plus cot square a equals 2. So we need tan power 4a and cot power 4a. So what do? Again square this. So I get tan power 4a plus cot power 4a plus 2 tan square a cot square a, and this is equal to 4. So again these two get cancelled because cot square a is nothing but 1 by tan square a, right? So these two get cancelled out, so I can write cot square a as 1 by tan square a, which gets cancelled out, and I have 2 here. Taking 2 to RHS, I get 4 minus 2, which is 2, and LHS I am left with tan power 4a plus cot power 4a. So the answer is 2. So definitely the right answer is D, which is 2. So do like, share and subscribe, and keep a watch for all the other videos to get solutions of all the other problems of KCET 2020.